Hi, it's Kozue. Born Pretty was kind enough to send me these gels. So today I'm going to test them out and come up with a full nail design using some of the gels. This bottle contains 15 millimeters of gel. Okay, let's get started. Platinum glitter champagne gold. Wow, it's gorgeous, packed with glitters. The gel itself seems to be clear, without any color. Wouldn't this be perfect for Christmas nails? It sparkles, but not in an overpowering way. Great for a more sophisticated look too. 2 coats of this gel completely cover the natural nail with glitter. No bare spots at all. It's absolutely stunning. Super cute too. Top coat on. Christmas vibes officially activated. Mambo Eyes MY58. This is a cat eye gel with glitter mixed in. This gel is tinted. It's highly pigmented, so even a single coat might be enough. The particle movement is excellent. It contains both magnetic particles that shift with the magnet and glitter that stays in place. This soft gray tone feels perfect for snowflake designs or Halloween nails. Even with just 1 coat, the color showed up beautifully, but I went ahead and added a second layer. To get an even sparkle across the whole nail, the square magnet worked best. Top coat on. Done. Now I'm ready to create some Halloween nails with this gel. Mambo Eyes MY60. It's a metallic pink with a hint of blue. Perfect for layering or enjoying that sheer finish. The particle moves really smoothly. I hope you can see particles that don't move with the magnet. With 2 coats, it covers the free edge beautifully. The candy color is just so cute. Okay, I know. This candy colored gel would be perfect for a sweet and sly Halloween look. Top coat done. It's so sweet and girly. I'm not sure my hand can pull it off, but I love it anyway. Mambo Eyes MY62. Such a pretty metallic blue. The gel itself is quite sheer, so it works beautifully for mermaid nails in summer or snowy looks in winter. The shimmer particles are going wild, so sparkly and full of movement. With 2 coats, it's no longer sheer. Even without using a magnet, it makes a really beautiful nail. Top coats on. Just adding a magnet to this gel makes it beautiful, even without any extra nail art. Alright, now I'll start creating my Halloween nails. I'm applying Mambo Eyes MY58 to the thumbnail. I've covered the whole nail and settled the particles. For the second coat, I apply the gel over the entire nail and use a magnet to create the design. The design didn't turn out quite the way I imagined, so I kept experimenting. This is a stamping plate I got from CanDo. I removed the silicone part from a Seria stamper and attached it to an acrylic stamp base from Daiso. Black stamping polish from Walmart in Hawaii. It's so cute. A stamping plate from Daiso. I'm spacing out the designs. I'm gonna add dots with black and white gel polish. After applying the top coat and curing it, the thumb is complete. I just love it, it's so cute. I'm creating the same design on the pinky and index fingers at the same time. Mambo Eyes MY60. I apply this gel over the entire pinky and index fingers, then cure it without using a magnet. After applying the second layer of gel over the entire nail, I use a magnet to softly bring out the vertical shimmer. I do the same for the index finger. By this point, I've pretty much figured out how to use the magnet. Maybe a bit late though. Applying top coat. Next, I'll start working on the ring finger. Mambo Eyes MY58. I'll stamp lace over the entire nail, so even slight unevenness in the base color won't be noticeable. That's why I'm applying just one coat of gel. I got this plate from Temu. It has a sort of Halloween vibe to it. Since I'm stamping over the entire nail, a square stamper works best. I picked that up from Temu too. I kept hesitating, trying to decide where to stamp it right in the center. Okay, the center. Maybe here? Here goes. When I tilt it like this, the cat eye gel under the lace really flashes and glows. Now I'll finish up with the nail art on the middle finger. Bon Pretty Milky Jelly 01. This is a shell white gel, not a cat eye gel. I applied 2 coats of this gel, curing after each layer. Mambo Eyes MY60. Apply a small amount of gel to the center of the nail, then blend it outward using a tweed brush. I blend it super carefully and put a lot of effort into it, but looking back, I probably didn't need to try so hard. I'll be adding a design on top layer, so even if the gradient isn't perfect, it'll still look fine. To smooth out the brush marks, I first settle the particles across the entire nail. I'll repeat the same steps one more time. Even when I moved the magnet, the particles didn't shift at all. Oh well, I think this will do. This is a stamper I got from Temu that shrinks designs. I twist the screw all the way to the top to tighten the silicone part until it's nice and firm. This stamping plate was from CanDo. I'll use this design. The design is a bit too large, so I'll use a stamper from Temu to shrink it by about 15% before stamping. The stretched out silicone returns to its original size, which also shrinks the design. Here comes the Daiso plate again. Second time today. I'll stamp the same sparkly design I used on the thumb. If someone told me to hand draw this kind of ultra detailed sparkly design, I'd honestly cry. I don't enjoy hand drawing tiny sparkles, but I do love this kind of detailed work, like plucking hairs with tweezers. I actually find it satisfying. Wow, this is ridiculously cute. Let's make it even cuter. Top coat on, and that's a wrap. Here's how the design turned out. Oh, so cute. Once it's on the fingers, is it just me or does it suddenly feel a bit elegant? It's like a hidden Mickey, except it's a hidden jack-o'-lantern. Well, not that hidden actually. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!